Hello, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. What we got here today? It's already out of the box. I'm not gonna unbox it and waste your time. This is a cool toy from Rage called the HoverJet. It's a vertical takeoff machine. It's already in the market, but a lot of you guys don't know about it. This is very cool thing. So what it is, it's initially it's a jet. It's like a F-22 jet, but it's actually a drone as well. When you get it, you get everything in a package. You're going to get the battery for it, and you're going to get the remote, and you're going to get your charger. This is excellent to play at home right now when you're on lockdown. Let me show you guys how it's work. It's so simple. First, you're going to flip it, and you're going to plug your battery. After you plug the battery, this is where it gets super tricky. You need to put the battery in and lock the gate, and then they hide it right here. This is your on-off switch. Right there. This is your on-off switch, okay? Then, this is the charger. Put it aside. This is your remote. Now, the gray button is not what's starting it. The gray button is to actually make it hover, take off by itself. This is forward. This is backward. Left and right roll. Left and right, yeah. I'm going to explain in a second. Up and down. Then this is going to be high and low, and this is going to be to make loops and rolls. Let's start playing, and I'm going to show you. But first, let's turn it on. When you turn those things on, press the button, leave it on a flat table. Press your remote, it will blink up, down, up again. So the drone is there, the remote is here. Taking off, press it. And it's gonna go by itself and just stay. Now it's hover almost by itself. You give it a second to balance. I'm not touching anything. It's a little bit skidding. Let's move away from the camera so you can see it better. Now we want to make a yaw turn. Very, very, very stable machine. Now, look at this. We're gonna leave it hovering, and I can go and push it. Now look at this cool thing that it can do. Backward flip. Let's make another one. Forward flip. Roll. Super, super stable little toy. Now, let's land it just for a second, just to show the practice of the landing with this. So I'm gonna pick it up where I want it. And it's land by itself. Let's take off again. This is how it looks when it's above you. It's pretty cool. And let's do this while it's still high. Let's see if it's gonna work or we're gonna have a problem over there. Okay, look at this. Now, let's purposely crash it into something and look what happened. And it's just landing itself. So what happened now, the propeller just flown off. It's not a big deal. Those propeller are detachable. All you need to do is put it back in. They have to be right in the middle. And kind of that's it. It's installed back. Let's see if it's gonna fly. Now, let's see if it's gonna fly. There it is. Okay, let's see if it's gonna fly. I'm just gonna press all of them back in. They all feel good. Just a little bit more throttle. Look at this, working like brand new.